Well, I'm gonna vote to put that on only because they've already paid their way. And I think we should take comment about it so that we can make a decision to move forward or not. So,
It may be fraudulent comment, just saying.
yeah, it might be fraudulent, but we haven't had any information presented by either side, either the friends of, other than individual comments from Rocky Prairie folks, nor from North Point folks.
Yeah.
I'd like to see a presentation from both groups that we can validate their information. That's what I'm looking for.
Okay.
So,
What I'm hearing is how you vote added to the docket.
That
is the
the
question.
official docket, preliminary docket, or remove.
official voter, okay, give me that again.
These three.
Because this one's pretty particular here.
They're all particular.
Yeah, well, this one's more.
So thumbs up, whether you like to add it to the docket, sideways, whether you like to
Right
keep it
bucket,
on the
right area,
preliminary
right
docket, and down thumb is remove it completely.
Well, I want to maintain it on the preliminary docket.
Okay,
Okay,
so
sideways.
to remove.
I mean, I'd like to add it, but I can't add it because I don't have a vote to add it. Is that right?
You.
I can vote for it,
You can
Vote
exercise.
but I don't have a vote to keep it. Yeah, okay.
So 2-1 to remove
2
it.
to 1 to remove it.
Okay.
I would just say that if, I mean, obviously much could be said on this one, but if the public has spoken about anything in my 15 or 16 months in office, they've spoken about this.
Oh, they don't, I agree.
So,
The folks down there don't want it, but I'd like to make sure that we're not exposed to any liability. That property has cost us the taxpayers, $16 million so far in litigation. My concern is that we are not further exposed, and I'm not exactly clear on that. So
Okay.
that's where I'm at.
CPA 18 then, unless you had more.
well, I would just say that's a different rationale than saying that you haven't gotten information from both sides and you want to.
No.
Now you're saying you understand the public doesn't want it, but you're worried about litigation.
Well, if you look at the face of the information that we got, it almost is the mob gets to rule without process, without due process.
I don't consider the city of Tumwater's council unanimous vote, city of Olympia's unanimous vote, the Visitor Convention Bureau, the Sierra Club, the Capitol Biking Center. I mean, I don't consider all those community groups, and I've only mentioned about 1/10 of the ones that we got input from to be a mob. I consider those to be people that really care about the community and really care about, where we're headed and made very good arguments. City of Tumwater's letter laid out a whole bunch of really excellent points where, they're the community closest to that proposed development. You'd think if it was gonna have all the economic benefits that were proposed, City of Tumwater would be jumping at the chance.
I do feel, I'm very concerned about the water quality issue in that particular area. And it's a contaminated site from its past usage. And that is one of the things that they talked about, is possibly capping that so that contamination did not spread. I'd just like to hear more about what is available, that's all. I think by kicking it out at this point, we're never gonna really know. We're gonna have a lot of speculation on both sides, but we'll see where it goes.
Well, looking at the economic value that is proposed and the environment issues as well, I did a tremendous amount of research on this topic with both sides, several times with both sides, and talked to numerous people, even within a 1-mile radius of the property, and folks tied to the Miller Sylvania Park as well.
Okay.
And so with all of that in mind, I'm voting no.
Okay, with that argument, I will also vote no.
You said
Yep, I'll vote no.
no, so 3-0 no.
Yep.
CPA.
CPA 18, the enclave at Deschutes
Oh, hang on,
River.
I'm still stunned, hang on. I mean, I'm 17, I'm changing this here to 3 yeses. Jennifer, you're on now.
CPA 18, the enclave at Deschutes River. Land use amendment.
This is the one that we might be able to work with Tumwater, but if we remove it, okay,
Sidewaysing it.
yeah,
Just leave it alone, okay, good. Then Tumwater can annex it and do the whole thing.
unanimous to put it on the prelim.
Mhm.